Types of non-contact forces. The types of non-contact forces are gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. Do you know why the leaves of fruits fall to the ground when they're detached from the plant? This is because of gravitational force. The force due to Earth's attraction is called the gravitational force. This is an example of non-contact force. Now the force between two magnetic poles placed at a suitable distance is called the magnetic force, in which like poles repel while the unlike poles attract each other. A magnet can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with it. So, the force exerted by a magnet is also an example of non-contact force. Do you know, when we rub a tube through dry cloth and bring it near the thread is attracted towards the tube. This is because on rubbing the tube through the dry cloth, an electrical charge is generated on the tube. This is called the electrostatic charge. This is also an example of non-contact force.